everyone, this is Jennifer Shaheen, founder and president of Technology Therapy Group. And I have to say, one of the biggest mistakes that businesses make is really targeting the wrong audience. Now, this is an issue for startups, but also if you're growing your business and you have plateaued, have you lost track of who your customer is? Or have you adjusted or changed your business in a way that you're not connecting with what was your original customer? And this happens. So it's very important that as we grow, we really do outline what are often referred to as our customer personas. Customer personas exist for us as business owners and marketers to understand how to connect and talk to individuals. It's no different than being in a relationship one-on-one. And that's exactly how you want to think about this, is you want to give your persona a name. It's always fun to do that. And by the way, many businesses have different personas. So it's just like friends. You might even have personal life. You might have friends you golf with and other friends you do different things with. That's the same thing. So I want you to think about it on that human level, because here's the big thing. If you don't think about it on the human level, then you're not going to properly connect with your customer personas, because whether you sell a product or a service to a consumer or another business, you're still talking to people. So I want you to step back and think about that and work through our workbook. So who is your target audience? So again, give them a name, understand their demographics, their needs based on the product or service you sell, but why are they interested? What void are you filling in their life, or what problem are you solving? Understand the technologies they're using to reach you. Understand a little bit more about their backgrounds, how we make buying decisions as human beings. A lot of it comes from how we grow up and what connects with us personally. So work through this, think about it, and you'll find that as you do this, you realize you might have different audiences that you need to talk to, and those audiences can be connected to through different things other than always talking about your product or service. You'll find inspiration and ideas. So download our free guide to working through your personas and stop making one of the biggest marketing mistakes many businesses make. Thanks so much for listening. And for more tips and tricks, visit us at technologytherapy.com.